welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, hi, my name is Taylor, and for today's video, we're making over my dining room. We have to have a proper dining room because we don't have an area for bar stools, and we are starting from scratch and purchasing all new furniture, so I really hope that you'll love how I transform this space. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited because Desenio has provided me with a few of their prints, and I'm going to be displaying them on my dining room wall. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have. So first you can see that I got the black frames. These are in the size 50 by 70. Now let's open up the artwork. I ordered the texture line hands and texture line faces, which are from the same collection. Here we have the texture line faces. It's so minimalist and I really love the texture detail on the back here. It looks kind of like rattan. I'm going to have a lot of rattan, black, and gold accents, so it's really going to bring the whole dining room together. Alright, so I already put this one in its frame, so now let's do the other one together. And cater to everyone's style, so I definitely recommend checking them out. I really appreciate Desenio for sending me these and can't wait to add more to my collection. Let's go ahead and put them on the wall.
Sometimes it can get rough when you had enough. I'll be your Don Corleone. When you're feeling down, feeling low, you'll never be alone. Not when you're right with me. Oh, I won't see no you and me. Every time when things get bad, promise I won't turn my back. Even if it takes some time, never wanna see you cry. Girl, you need to know this life means sometimes that we fight.
Now we're switching off the light fixture to this IKEA center leg pendant lamp, which we got off of Amazon because I don't have an IKEA near me. Now I'm just putting together my dining room table. This is the Luoci Bistro table from Nathan James on Amazon. And I honestly love everything from Nathan James. It's a really great brand that's right up my alley as far as design goes.
When you're running low on love, I'll be the shoulder that you're leaning on. And when it feels different and things are missing and you're on your worst day, I don't want it any other which way. And when it gets rough, I promise I'll stay. Oh, my heart beats every time you look at me. Even when it gets real bad, never gonna turn my back, even if it takes some.
Now we're putting together the IKEA Vitstro shelves.
Girl, you need to know this life means sometimes that we fight. At least we're sitting side by side.
So I can go ahead and add those in and finish this area of my apartment. These are the thin dining armchairs from World Market, and I really love them because the rattan backing matches the light fixture so well, and the bottom of the legs are gold, just like the Nathan James table.
Baby, I know what you're going through. I'll be waiting up for you all night. Don't think.
I'm going ahead and adding this artificial olive tree from Target to the corner.
Make sure you're alright.
first thing to go on the shelves is my boyfriend's salt lamp, and then I'm adding a basket and a candle from Ipsy on the shelf beside it. After that, I'm adding this Moby Dick book, which is one of my boyfriend's favorite books, another book to add some height, and then this vintage camera that was once my grandfather's. I'm also adding these pottery pieces that my grandmother handmade, and this candle from Glasshouse Fragrances, and finally another book as well as an artificial plant.
I've been there and babe, I know what it's like. But don't think you're never gonna see this all behind you. You're gonna see the things that you apply to inside. And every time you're feeling lost, you're feeling far from what you want, I promise baby, honestly, you'll see. I'll be around when you come down.
That completes the dining room makeover. I really hope you love it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.